Hello everyone. Now we finally made it to layer 7, which is the top of the OSI model, and that's the application layer. Now I want to be clear and say that the sense of the word application isn't talking about a specific app as such, like a program running. Okay, that's not what this really means. In this sense of the word application, it's talking about how you would apply something. So for instance, if you have this piece of plastic that's got lots of spirals in it there, you might say, well, what's the application of this? Okay, that's the sense of the word. So the application for this is to wrap around lots of cables to keep them neat. So the application layer is talking about what we're actually using this thing for, not necessarily the specific program. So with that said, basically, I'll just give you a few examples of some of the protocols you'll see at layer 7. So obviously you'd be familiar with HTTP, okay, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. That's layer 7, okay, but that's not saying Firefox or Chrome or anything like that. The application is HTTP, okay, and some other applications are things like FTP, TFTP, DHCP, DNS, all those good things that you've probably seen around. Okay, they're applications, they're things that we're going to apply at this layer. And there's others, of course, like Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, SMTP, and so on. Okay, so that's pretty much it. The application layer and some of the protocols are what interface with the human at the top end, okay? And the programs that we run, like there would be an email program for the application of SMTP. There would be a web browser for the application of HTTP, and so on. Because don't forget, you could use the same web browser to run FTP. Doesn't necessarily have to be HTTP, okay? But the application layer is what has these protocols in it. So that's it for our trip up the OSI model, and I'll see you again in the next video with something different. So until then, take it easy.